Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my new house. I'm having a housewarming party on Sunday, which is the day of the Super Bowl, and a lot of my family and friends, they got me so many gifts, and I'm so thankful for that. I am super blessed and feeling very loved. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of all the stuff I got. I already opened it, but I want to do it in front of the camera so y'all can see what I got. Okay, let's start. First up, I got these are, oh, it's the paper towel holder lid. So it's literally just a paper towel holder. I love it. So I put all this stuff on my Amazon gift list. Like I started a registry. So I'll link it down below. So if you're moving or if you need stuff for your home, you know what to add. Because I was having a hard time like figuring out, oh my gosh, what do I need before I moved. But once you get into the house and you like realize like, oh, you need this, oh, you need that, blah blah blah, then you realize, oh, this is what I need. So if you are like, oh, what do I need, use the link down below. And got these glass mugs for drinking tea and coffee. And it comes with 4. And it comes with little like spoons to stir too. Then over here we've got a greca, which is a coffee maker. I know my mom's loved this. She was like, oh my gosh, I need this. So I added this little cart for her. Makes 6 cups of coffee. But this one is a glass greca. So look. How cool. How cool is this? Like an aesthetic greca. Oh, these are cups. So I wanted cups that weren't glass but looked like glass. So plastic cups. So they look like this, and they look like glass, but it's not glass, it's plastic. And it comes with small ones and big ones, which is nice. Got this, which is a 35-piece kitchen tool set, which I'm very excited for, and it's like a cute like khaki color. It comes with a whisk, a deep ladle, a serving spoon, a pasta server, a thinner spatula, a handheld strainer. It also comes with kitchen scissors, another like metal like strainer, a garlic mincer thing, a pizza cutter, ice cream scooper, can opener, a bunch of stuff. And it also comes with like thing to hold it in, measuring cups. This has everything, so I'm very excited for that. Then we've got, coming hot. This is our plates and bowls. So it's 18 set, and it comes with these little bowls as well. It also comes with plenty of plates, and we've got a apron. Like I said, I am very lucky to have family and friends that are so supportive and want to get me these things, because what the hell, so freaking grateful. Got a blender. So this is the Hamilton Beach blender. It's heavy, and I didn't add stuff that was like so expensive. The most expensive thing I added was like $42, and then everything else was like $10 to $30. So it's our blender. I didn't know it was glass. I honestly did not check, but it's glass, so gotta be very careful with that. Wow, that's why it's so heavy. There we go. This is our blender. Very excited to make. I think you can make purees here, smoothies, flan. Very excited for that. So that's it. That's all the stuff that we got from our housewarming. I'm so excited to put this in our a lot of stuff also hasn't come in yet, so I'm waiting for that to come in. There's like stuff that's coming in tomorrow, Sunday, so I'm very excited. Um, I also put like a hamper on there, bathroom mats, towels. I also put curtains and stuff. So I'm just very excited and very, very happy to embark on this new journey in my new apartment. Yeah, so an apartment tour is coming when everything's like super, super ready. I'm working on my room. I'm very excited to make my room my happy place, which it always is. So I love that I'm able to redecorate and reorganize, which is so exciting. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Be prepared for more house makeover / decoration stuff. Okay, bye.